a sign up form for my website using Typeform, and I wanted whenever I receive a new form submission through my Typeform, instantly a SMS confirmation should be sent to that particular user instantly with a personalized detail, so that my user can trust the brand and starts feeling valued from the starting point. So now here to send the instant SMS confirmation, I have set up a simple automation connecting my Typeform with my SMS sending application, that is Twilio, so that whenever I receive a new form submission through my Typeform, instantly they send a confirmation SMS to that particular user via Twilio, which is an SMS sending application. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too. But before that, let me show you how it actually works by simply making a form submission using my Typeform. So this is my Typeform, and here we are going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. I have entered first name as demo, last name as user, email as demo@pabblytunes.com, and here we are going to add a random phone number. For that, we are going to select the country as India, and here for the number, I'm going to add my number in order to receive a SMS over here. Alright, we are going to submit this form, and you can see we have successfully made a form submission. So now let me show you the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone. So this is the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone that says sent from your Twilio trial account. Thank you demo, we have received your submission successfully. Our team will review your request and get back to you soon. Thanks for connecting with us. So here you can see this is a personalized SMS that contains the name of that user who has made the form submission, and my SMS also contains a statement that says send from your Twilio trial account, because here I've used a trial account. If you're using a paid account, then your SMS will not contain any such statement. Okay, so this is how amazingly this automation works. And now to learn this process in detail, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I've got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video, so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, we are going to create a workflow first, and here you can see three methods. First, if you want to build a workflow step by step, select create from scratch. To build a workflow completely using AI prompts, use create using AI, and for a quick workflow setup, use quick builder. Here we are going to start a fresh chat, and it is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to describe my workflow and give it as a prompt to this quick workflow builder. Let me add it. It says when a form is submitted on Typeform, send SMS via Twilio. After analyzing my request, it is asking which Typeform trigger should start this workflow. So let's select new entry, and for Twilio, let's select send SMS message. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create, and here we have received our workflow link. So with this, we have successfully set up our workflow using quick workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So here we have selected app and the app event, and here we are going to build a new connection. For that, click on this connect with Typeform, and here you can see Pabbly is requesting for the access. So I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. You can see we now successfully connected. Then here it is asking us for the form. So here you can see in my workspace I have multiple forms with different names. In this case, I'm going to use a form that I have with the name sign up form. So let's select same from the drop down, and then we are going to update this response format to simple, because I want to receive the response in a simple organized format. Then we are going to click on the save and send test request, and you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means to receive a response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission, we are going to make a test form submission using a Typeform once again. So let me refresh it. And again, we are going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. This time I'm going to enter the first name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytudes.com. Then we are going to add the phone number. So we are going to select the country as India and a random phone number. Then we are going to submit this form, and you can see we have successfully made a form submission. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all the form details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. Now once we have received a new form submission, we are going to send instant SMS confirmation to this user via SMS sending application, that is Twilio. So we are going to build a new connection over here, and it is asking for account SID, authorization token, and account SID once again. So here to get these details, let me take you to my Twilio console window. So this is my Twilio console window, and under account info you can see account SID, authorization token, and my Twilio phone number. So for now I'm going to copy both of these details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. Let me do that. Alright, after adding the details, we are going to click on the save, and you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking for a body of the SMS. So I need to enter the body of the SMS that I want to send as a confirmation SMS to this particular user who has made the form submission. So let me add it. So this is the body of the SMS, and here I've used a variable for the first name. That means here I'm going to add the first name of the person who has made the form submission. So now instead of entering the detail manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when we're going to receive a new form submission through a Typeform, automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first, and here we are going to map the first name. So this is the first name, and with this we have completed our body of the SMS. Then here it is asking for a sender number. So here I'm going to add my Twilio phone number. Let me add it. So this is my Twilio phone number, and then it is asking for a recipient number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this SMS. For that I'm going to map the number of my user. So this is the user's number, and after adding the details we are going to click on the save and send test request. But before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a SMS over here. Let me add mine. Alright, after adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request, and you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a SMS on my number. Now let me show you the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone. Alright, so this is the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone that says, send from your Twilio trial account. Thank you test, we have received your submission successfully. Our team will review your request and get back to you soon. Thanks for connecting with us. You can see this is another personalized SMS that we have received for our form submission. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected a trigger as Typeform and our action as Twilio, so that when you're going to receive a new form submission through a Typeform, instantly a confirmation SMS will be sent to that user via Twilio, which is an SMS sending application. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send SMS on every new form submission. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.